Hello and welcome to the iGeek phone with another TV box review. Today we have the Beelink GT1 mini TV box. Beelink GT1 mini TV box is a new Android TV box from which we present today its analysis or review. A very compact model of a Beelink TV box GT1 mini is extremely small. At the top it has logo of the brand as direct. As decoration on the front we only have a small discreet white LED. We have all the connectors, the USB 3.0 port that is new in this socket. We also have HDMI 2.1 to 4K 75 fps connector. This TV box GT1 mini using the socket Amlogic S905X2 has very good result in terms of efficiency. This new socket is manufactured in 12nm and has a maximum consumption of only 3.5 volts. Beelink GT1 mini has installed 3 different setting menus. First one is the classic side menu with global Android setting, another with TV box setting, and finally Android classic with a blank background. The Google Play Store behaves normally and we can find the most common app. The version of the system and the compilation of the kernel is quite current as we see. The Beelink GT1 mini TV box follows the line of the Beelink brand and offers us a product with interesting components with the use of new socket Amlogic S905X2. If you want to read a written review, you can also find with our website iGeek phone easily. We can put the link in the description. And thanks for the Beelink. They have sent us a Beelink mini TV box for express the customers that want to buy this device with great experiences. If you want to buy a Beelink GT1 mini TV box, you can find a link in the description so you can buy. We will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.